hopefully, may biyahe sa Partas. Palaon yun, but we have to check.
Ito pa din gamot sa taas.
What time is it, Han?
5. Oh,
5. So after 6 hours of travel via bus, we're here in London. So let me show you our room. Angel and Marie's hostel. These are the rules. It's like apartment style, so there's different rooms all in one building. So start off, this is the kitchen with the water heater, and then you can actually eat inside because they have utensils and plates. And then a very cute mesa. To the bathroom, which is surprising as it's a very good size. So you have the shower with the heater, and then obviously the toilet there, a few hangers for any of the wet clothes. So it's very basic. And then here's the room with the AC, a queen size, but they have 2 pillows and then 2 single size blankets. And then the AC room, and we got it for 1,800 per night. We'll be here from Sunday, which is today, up until Wednesday. So that's about 4 days and 3 nights, which is, I think, is the perfect duration, especially if you just want to beach bomb. So yeah, let's see what the vibes are. Excited about tasting, or I'm so excited on trying all of the restaurants. I have a few things on my list, and I've been watching a lot of vlogs. So let's see, and then I'll show you all the Elyu restaurants that we're going to try in this trip. Yes. Food was okay. Your typical Andy wings. So,
Doon nag-underwings.
ha? Buti hindi ka nag-Andy wings. Yun lang. And we're gonna get froyo here. Froyo. We're gonna get froyo here. Ano lang siya? 2-minute walk from our hostel. May 7-Eleven. Ano siya? Let's go!
Start going, got this feeling down in my soul. Just can't.
Okay, so I wanted to go to 7-Eleven, but they're actually cleaning the floors with bleach and in Sebay. This is actually really famous. Yeah, so I'm just here on the side of the road waiting for them to finish so that I can buy ice cream. While we're waiting, let's talk about what I ate in Silong. So that's their chicken steak. The positive is it's chicken breast and the gravy sauce was yummy. But there were like 5 pieces. But for 120, it's actually sulit na. So, and then what I didn't like was the calamansi juice, which was 30 pesos, and it was this big. Yeah, but overall it's sulit. It's just right there. So, and it's really good for vegetarians. Morning.
Na-close pa sila.
Close pa, oh no. Ha? Ano dito?
Coffee.
Coffee. Ay, ba?
Cafe latte. Hot spot.